Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what are we going to learn today? It is a very special video where we are going to release an audit tool which you can download for absolutely free from the link in the description in this video as always. So without wasting much time, I will show you the detailed demonstration of the tool. We have made Sanjibni audit tool. Well, in my life, many people are there whose advice have helped me in whatever I am today. I acknowledged all of them, and one such special person is Sanjib Sanghi sir from Calcutta. So this tool I have named after him. So first we have to switch on the tally. So we'll go to tally and run as administrator, and then you can see that we can link tally and fetch various reports. Well, this tool I would not say is the final version, but definitely we are working on better versions and we are going to release further videos. For now, this will serve the purpose. So we will switch on the ODBC, and then we will simply load our data. As soon as ODBC is switched on, continue in educational mode, specified path. So you can see we have this dummy data. All you have to do is open the data and open ODBC. Now we will switch on our tool. So Sanjibni audit tool. The features are not so many, I will say, but definitely for two reasons this is going to be amazing. I'm going to show you two things which if we do the manual audits, we are definitely very much stuck in it. So I thought of creating this tool, and as it is switching on, and once again I would like to say that more features are there. They are not complete, so I will update the version 2 and 3 very soon. Okay, so now we are in the tool. Very simple. You can generate sundry debtor, trial balance, stock, miscellaneous and squared off accounts. So the first all you have to do is click on sundry debtors report, and wherever you have installed this, in that folder there will be in that folder you will get one folder. Okay, similarly trial balance. You can see the speed. I just love the speed of Python. Absolutely built through Python and vibe coding. And those who want the codes and all, they can email me. Not a problem. Stock report. Okay. Miscellaneous reports. Okay. And squared of accounts. The fun big reason is the squared of accounts. Okay. View logs. You can see the logs, but it's not so useful. Anyways, we'll close the app now. So first is sundry debtors. So with sundry debtors, what you can do is, I have generated three types of report. The first is very normal, total ledger with closing debit, which is a normal behavior of sundry debtors. So closing debit, you can see everything is there: opening balance, debit total, credit total, and so on. So last you can see that they are the debtors having closing debit balance, largest to smallest. The next report is important: total ledgers with closing credit, which means that sundry debtors which have a credit balance which you have to look upon, and also they are largest to smallest. Okay, the third one is the main reason why I did this tool: total squared off ledger, which means that they are in the sundry debtors but they have been squared off during the year. You can see the closing balance is 0. It is giving the total count. So you can see that 197 accounts have been squared off during the year. Okay, so this is the sundry debtor reports. We'll go to the next one. Similarly, I have broken all the reports. Say we go to trial balance, and trial balance also, it is very clumsy to get each and everything. So what I have done, PL and balance sheet, I have separated the things so that it is easy to look upon the PL item. You can see again I have done largest to smallest, and you can see first debit and then all the credit items. So at once you can identify the things. Similarly for balance sheet, the same thing. I have done first largest to smallest debit, and at last you can see largest to smallest credit. All the things have been done. Okay, similarly in the second report, if somebody is want to see it separate, I've also made it separate in one go, so you don't have to go. And here what I have done is, in the PL, suppose there are so many groups, so administrative expenses, number of ledgers having debit balance and number of ledgers having credit balance. So here you can see the detailed breakup, that what is the balance which are having debit and which is having credit. Suppose indirect income is there, direct income, everything is there. Suppose sales account is there, purchase account, you can see 3 ledgers are having debit and 2 are having credit. So definitely we must see that, and you can see that there's some discount received is there. So in this way you can definitely come to know detailed things which manually they take a lot of time. So you can see which further account you have to dig on. Okay, similarly for balance sheet it's the same. You can see the breakup, which account is having how many debit and how many credit balances. Okay, unnamed group, because I think it is PL account. Yes, profit and loss account tally is very different with it, so that's why it is unnamed account. Anyways, other accounts, you can see bank account to bank OD, there is 1 debit and 2 credit, which means that bank OD is debit, means they have deposited extra, which is strange, but we can come to know very soon. Yes, so they are having this account debit balance, so we must definitely see that. So this way I have broken down. Okay, the next report is stock is very normal, I will say, that is not extraordinary. I've just put in. Okay, you can see the stock items and opening and closing balances, not an issue. Squared accounts, this is the biggest reason of this tool, where you can see the squared accounts. Okay, so squared accounts balance sheet, I will say, you can come to know how many accounts have been squared group wise. Suppose suspense account, there is 1 squared up, which means that suspense account was written off. Suspense account, you can see the opening debit, debit total, and closing debit credit 0. Again, if we go to home, as we saw in sundry debtors, you can see 197 accounts have been written off. In sundry creditor 11, loans and advances 2, and so on. You can get the exact list group wise which have been written off. Normally in trial balance you do not get to see this, so you have to go to ledger and see, and they can be dangerous because they have been written off, they are not shown anywhere. So that is the main reason of this tool. You can see in duties and taxes also, so many accounts have been written off. Okay, similarly you can see for all the groups, there are only 9 groups here, there may be 10, 20 depending on your data. Okay, similarly branch division also, you can see that 2 accounts were written off. Okay, so last report is, I've showed you stock, sundry debtor, trial balance. Last report is miscellaneous. This I am working upon it, there will be more reports. For now we have only 3. GST number not fitted, which means that it is sundry debtor or creditor, but you have not fed in the GST number of the party. Definitely there must be some reason, so you need to check all this. This is not the part of the main audit, but definitely as an internal audit or whatever you are doing, you can suggest the client that why their GST number have not been fed. Okay, second and third are a little bit important. Ledger same balances, this is also one thing we need to dig around, which means that opening and closing, the ledger balance is the same. There may be between debit credit total same or any reason, but you can see I have done debit first, highest to smallest, and again credit last, highest to smallest. So you can get a glimpse at one go which are the accounts which are having the same opening and closing balance, which means either there is no transaction or the opening balance is there and transaction was net off. So you can see that for every account whichever we see, they are having the same balance, debit also and credit also. And the last one is not so significant, but you can see I have done that all the small balances account which are generally we need to write off, suppose 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 50 rupees, 5 rupees, whatever it is. So this list again I have given largest to smallest, and you can see I have also given opening, but it does not matter. Main is the closing thing below 1000. The limit that I have set is 1000 rupees, below which you can see these are the small accounts which are not written off right now. They are there in the books, so you may suggest them to write off, or you may not ignore checking them, whatever it is. Okay, so this is the reports, and I very close to adding some more functions, but due to September and all I could not add, but definitely I would like to break some ice. We are very close to giving the option of aging analysis. Okay, I don't think it will be possible in September, but as soon as we are able to conclude it in October, I will release one short video where we will update the version of this tool. So I hope you got some value out of this. You can absolutely give me suggestions in the comments which more function you would like on the transactions we are trying, but balance level things we are absolutely, we can fetch anything using SQL. I've already done 2-3 sessions. You can check out the description if you want to learn how we have made this tool. Very simple. We have connected SQL, Python and Tally. Okay, so that's all for this video, friends. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to share with your friends who are doing the audit and doing the manual work, because slowly, this is nothing. I mean, there are many other tools out there, many other chartered accountants who have created wonderful tools, right? So this is nothing but just to give you a glimpse that automation is very important, and manual work is not going to take you anywhere. So start automating, start implementing. The reason why I give all this for free is taking actionable steps. You don't have to go here and there. You can definitely start using from these tools. Already I have made 3-4 tools, opening balance matching and 26AS and everything. Your feedbacks help me a lot. So any suggestions you can write in the comments, and we will come up with more beautiful tools in October, November as time passes. So thank you friends for watching till here. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment and share with your friends. That's all for this video, friends. See you in the next video.